Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. Sorry guys for not uploading regular videos on this channel, but from now on I will be making consistent videos. So subscribe to our channel and turn on those bell notifications so you never miss out an important update in the crypto space. Welcome to the first episode of our crypto trading series. In this video we will break down what crypto trading is and how it works, and the essential tools you will need to start your professional journey in becoming a profitable trader. This is the live Bitcoin chart. Let's start by looking at the Bitcoin chart itself. This is where traders spend most of their time analyzing price movement and identifying opportunities. Don't worry if it looks complicated right now. By end of this series you will know exactly how to read and use this chart. And now let's move on towards the market statistics you should know. The total crypto market cap is currently $2.3 trillion. Unlike traditional markets, crypto trades 24/7 with no breaks. The market is highly volatile with daily swing of around 8%. This can be much higher. And here is a reality check. That is 95% of beginner traders lose money in their first year itself. It is because they lack the proper education and strategy. But here is the good news. With the right education, mindset and strategy, you can be a part of 5% who consistently win. That is by following this series, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills. And now let's clear up an important distinction, that is trading versus investing. Investing, often called as holding, means buying and holding crypto for long term. It requires minimal time and basic research. Profit usually come over month or year. On the other hand, trading is active. That is, it requires technical analysis, risk management, discipline. Profit can come within minutes, days or week, but it also carries higher risk. In this series we will focus on active trading, that is learning how to profit when the market goes up or down. So these are the current market cap, that is Bitcoin is at around $1.2 trillion and Ethereum is at $480 billion. And here comes the essential tools every trader need. To succeed as a trader, you will need the right tool. Think of it like a carpenter needing the right saw. First, you need a reliable exchange. Here is the list of trading platforms. The first is DeepTradeX. Here they offer simple interface, good for absolute beginners. New exchange, and currently they are giving out early birds benefit. So here, this is the exchange. I will be sharing the link in the description. DeepTradeX.ai is the official website, and here you will be experiencing Web3 trading with AI innovation. Their most powerful platform empowering trading, research and skill tokenization. Currently they are giving away early bird benefit, that is grand launch of 1 lakh USDT prize pool, first come first serve basis. So these are all the welcome gifts that you will be getting, that is you can register and claim, that is double welcome gift. Share 10,000 USDT prize pool, successfully registered during the event to receive 1 USDT. Complete your first trade, that is any buy or sell orders regardless of amount, to receive an additional of 4 USDT. This will be only applicable for over 2,000 available, that is first come first served. And the second event is first recharge cashback. First recharge cashback offers you more you top up, the more you get, that is share 20,000 USDT prize pool during the event. Make your first successful net deposit of 50 USDT, that is greater than 50 USDT, to enjoy a 5% cashback based on your recharge amount. Each user can receive up to 100 USDT, which is something really cool. So if you are beginner and want to get started, DeepTradeX is a great opportunity for you, as they are having some events that you can participate and get some extra USDT. And the third is Trading Frenzy, that is Trading Frenzy offers a 70,000 USDT prize pool, that is the higher you rank, the more rewards you will be getting. So this is something really cool DeepTradeX is offering. Also, these are the other well-known platforms out there that you might already be knowing, that is Binance, Bybit and Kraken. So these are the most secure ones, and if you are interested in getting earlier benefits, then DeepTradeX.ai is for you. I will be leaving the link in the description so you can click on that. And the second is you need charting software like TradingView, ThinkOS or CoinGee to analyze the market. And the third is risk management tools, position size calculator, stop loss orders, that is which will be automatically exiting losing trade to protect your capital, trading journal which will be allowing you to track every trade to identify what works and what doesn't. And also here is a small warning for you guys, that is never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Start small, prove your strategy, then scale up. This is the best warning that I can give you guys. And now let's move on to the psychology of successful trading. Here is a shocking truth: 80% of trading success comes from psychology, not strategy. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you can't execute it consistently due to emotional interference, you will fail. The three deadly emotions that kill traders are: the first is FOMO, that is fear of missing out, that is jumping into trades after they have already moved significantly, usually right before a reversal. Second is revenge trading, that is trying to immediately recover losses by taking larger or riskier position. And the third is greed, that is holding winning position too long, turning profit into losses by wanting just a little more. So these are the deadliest trading emotion that you need to master. In order to succeed, you must develop a winning mindset, that is focus on process over outcome, treat losses as lessons, stay consistent and think in percentage, not just money. And here is our roadmap. This series is designed to take you from beginner to confident trader. In the next episode, we will cover setting up your trading environment, choosing the right exchange, securing your accounts, and learning order types. From there, we will deep dive into price action, technical indicators, risk management, strategy building, and even advanced techniques like leverage and arbitrage. By end of this series, you won't just know how to trade, you will have your own personalized trading system that you can use with confidence. If you are ready to transform from a beginner into a profitable trader, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss episode second. And as a bonus, you can also download free trading checklist to kickstart your journey. Your path to becoming a consistent trader starts here. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on those bell notification. And see you guys in the next episode.